Hi, and welcome to the final video in this part 8 section, which is in fact the final video of the whole course. So if you've managed to get here and you've done everything, well done, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, starting with an empty patch, and this is going to be a nice and easy one, but a very famous one to finish with. So this is, again, we're using an FMO. We're going to change this to FM Self Plus. We're going to turn up the FM. Not a lot. That should do it. And we'll put the tuning up by 1 octave. And we'll put the vibrato right up. Okay. The next thing we want to do is make any changes we need to the LFO, and there's a couple. We'll change this to aftertouch. And we'll bring the delay up somewhat. And we'll speed it up a little bit. Okay, that sounds good to me. Okay, the next thing we need to check out are the usual suspects. So the global mode. Now, because of this type of sound, we definitely want some gliding or sliding here. So we need to get this up. And we want that in legato mode. And let's get the pitch bend both directions to 12, because it's the kind of sound you're going to use a lot of that type of effect with. Forgot about the envelope for the... Let's just set the envelope for the amplitude. Yeah, quite a long attack. Same decay. Longer sustain. And quite a long release as well. Oops. Bring the velocity up a bit. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, that's the pitch bend wheel, that's sounding good as well. Let's just turn this down a wee bit. Some of you have probably guessed what it is already. Of course, it's the theremin. And we'll just add some EQ and a bit of reverb, and then we're almost done. Bring 3 over here so we can get a steeper slope as usual, and let's get that nice theremin frequency coming out. Nice. I do love the sound of the theremin, it's a great sound. Okay. Let's just deal with this. Right, too much reverb. Bring the dry setting down. Okay, that's sounding not too bad. Just the feedback a little bit. And you can really hear the slide effect working here on the portamento, especially when you play legato. Yeah, sounding good. I think we'll leave it at that. And that is pretty much it, apart from we're going to add some XY settings because I haven't done that yet, just so that we can get it covered for you. And it's just going to be simple XY, FMO1, which is this. I'm just going to use the X-axis for panning, and we'll just max it right out, why not? Oops. And we'll use the Y-axis for pitch, or the tuning, and we'll max that right out as well. And then if you come to here, we can change this. We can say XY1, FMO panning, and pitch. Well, we'll call it tune because that's what it says on the FMO itself. Oh, and that should be an O, not a P. And we can change it up here as well. To do that, you just double click on it, by the way. Okay, so now I'm just going to assign them. So right click, MIDI learn the X-axis. I'm just going to turn the knob on my hardware controller. And right click, MIDI learn. I'll just use a fader. Now if you've got a little XY pad on your MIDI controller, assign it to this and then it's really, really cool. So if, just to show you that working, I'll just draw in I'll just solo that. Okay, so now, theoretically, but of course it's better when you play it. So that's it. All I have to do now is just add that to the track and then that's it, we're done. Okay, I've added it in, and forgive me for indulging myself, but this is the last video, so I'm just going to play the whole track from start to finish, all the sounds, and I hope you enjoy it. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed the course. Please feel free to send me any emails with further ideas for courses, comments, constructive criticism. I'll be happy to read. I can't guarantee that I'll be able to answer all the emails, but I'll definitely read them. And once again, thanks very much for buying the course. I hope you've learned loads, and I hope this basic video, really, we've only touched what synthesis is capable of, but I hope it's got your juices flowing, and I hope it's given you a good grounding and enough knowledge to feel confident enough to go on now and create whatever it is that your heart desires. Thanks very much. Take care, and I'll see you soon.